To make sure that animals don't experience any pain and distress through the slaughter procedures, they must all be first rendered unconscious with a single stun. This research and the manuscript that we're going to publish will be the first of its kind in the industry. All over the world, these guidelines will change and ensure that bison are stunned and making sure that they have good welfare and don't feel any pain. The staff that we have at our Humane Handling Institute and my research advisors are amazing professors, and they're also really well known in the industry for animal welfare. So it's amazing that we have them here at our university and that they're so willing to work with us undergraduate students and show us really and guide us and mentor us to get to the places that they are now. I've really grown a lot through this process. When I was a freshman, I could not have imagined taking on a 60-page manuscript, but here we are, 60 pages in, still going. It's incredible that I was able to have this opportunity and that I was able to complete it too. And I really have to thank my research mentors for that.